In this video, we're unboxing and replacing the brake pads for the Honda CR-V 2012 to 2016. The brake pads, the brake pad retaining clips, the brake grease, the brake pad safety warning sheet for installation. The following are the tools used to replace the brake pads: large torque wrench, large F-style extension bar, large impact wrench, large 14mm short socket, large 19mm long socket, large 19mm wrench, flathead screwdriver, blowgun. Using the large 19mm long socket with the extendable ratcheting wrench, loose the lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Using the large 19mm long socket with the impact wrench, remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using the large flathead screwdriver, compress the brake caliper piston. Secure the front brake pad's backplate from the upper brake caliper holes. Then reset the brake caliper. Using the large 14mm short socket with the impact wrench, remove the lower brake caliper retaining bolt. Remove the bolt. Rotate the caliper upward. Remove the brake pads. Remove the brake pad retaining clips. Here's the comparison of old versus new brake pads. We can see the old pads are nearly completely worn down, compared with the new brake pads. The new retaining clips feature an upgraded return spring. The return spring returns the brake pads to their normal position when no braking force is applied, preventing uneven pad wear. Apply the included brake grease to the backplate of the brake pads. Spread the brake grease evenly across the backplate. Use the compressed air gun to clean any dust from the caliper bracket. Install the brake pad retaining clips. Now install the brake pads. When install the brake pads, make sure the pad with the brake wear indicator goes on the inner side, with the brake wear indicator facing upward. Install the outer brake pad. Install the brake pad's return springs. Check the caliper guide pins for smooth operation. If there is any binding, and lubricate them. Reinstall the caliper and install the caliper retaining bolt. Using the 14mm short socket with the torque wrench and the 19mm wrench, tighten the brake caliper retaining bolt. Torque specific, 50 Nm, 37 foot-pounds. Install the wheel. Install the lug nuts. Using the large 19mm long socket with the impact wrench, snug the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle. Using the large 19mm long socket with the torque wrench, torque the lug nuts. Torque specific, 150 Newton meters, 111 foot-pounds. The installation process for the left side is the same as the right side.